Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Audi and today is all about this absolutely stunning Audi R8. This client has come over to us, first time using us, and we have done a really cool number of upgrades. Firstly, let's talk about security on the vehicle. What we've actually added on is 2 products to secure this vehicle, and this is my perfect partnership of the 3 things that I add on to a vehicle. Security wise, we've done the actual Ghost Immobiliser, which is so easy to use. We've got loads of videos on how the Ghost works. I'm not going to go into too much detail on this particular one. We've got loads of other videos on how it works, but in essence, really simple. Basically, you get in the vehicle, you turn the ignition on, you enter your unique code, then the vehicle starts up. That unique code, you can choose a configuration between 4 button presses to 20 button presses, and that is exactly in your brain. It's your unique code for yourself. It's ultra secure way of securing a vehicle. The really important thing about any install or any security product, whether that be on a house or whether that be on a car, is all about the quality of work that goes on behind the scenes, and that is why all our work gets done inside controlled workshop environments here in our site in Cambridge. We're not open to the elements, it's in a secure site, and we know that everything is done to absolute perfection because our team are first of all very well qualified and also is fully inspected all the way through the install. This car has been worked on in a 5-meter workshop bay, which means plenty of space around the vehicle, and our client has made use of our showroom facilities, sat chilled out while we've been carrying out the work. It is quite a lengthy bit of process to install this many gadgets onto a car professionally, but the Ghost Immobiliser is a really cool way of securing it. However, there is still a way to steal this vehicle. You could pick it up, put it on a transporter and take it away. What we've actually done is then added in a Thatcham approved tracking system, and this not only might actually reduce your insurance premiums, but also you get 2 little tags. Those 2 little tags are called ADR tags, and it's a driver recognition tag. In essence, that driver tag is you, if the vehicle is started or movement without ignition, which would be, for example, if it was on a trailer. What would actually happen is you'd get notified by a push notification, text message or phone call via the Vodafone system. There's an app that goes alongside it called My Connected Car. You can download that. They do a free demo version, see what sort of features and functionality you'd be getting. But again, a really cool partnership to really hands down secure this vehicle. Not only that, they're actually located in completely different locations. So you see a lot of these stuff online, and I've seen it quite a few times recently, where people are partnering this Ghost and Tracker combo, and they're doing like a free tracker install. Please, I've seen it so many times where we've had to redo installs, where basically, in essence, where they're doing that free bundle, they're lobbing them in together at the same place. Completely pointless. Security should be completely separate areas of a vehicle. So if a thief goes in and finds one of the items, fine. They've still got another layer of protection somewhere else in the vehicle. It just means that you've got extra layers, and that is why we do it in completely different areas across the vehicle. And it's very important, and that is why our clients travel all over the country, all over the world to ourselves. We've literally talked to about 4 international clients today to get their cars over to us for the work. It is very common for people to travel a big distance, just like this client has done as well. So they are basically the tracking system and the Ghost Immobiliser securing the vehicle, and then my added on real benefit feature that I normally like to go for is the dash cam. Client's gone for a Thinkware U1000 4K image quality front dash camera. We've also added in the rear camera, but one really vital part of this system is actually the battery. So we've added in the Thinkware iVolt mini battery, and what that means is the vehicle is, in essence, even right now, is recording us doing the filming work. So the system, the way it works is it charges up when the vehicle is being driven. So for about 45 minutes of driving gives you about 16 hours of parking mode on the other side. What that in essence means is that everything is then protected. So say you want to take the car out to a local show, you want to take it out for dinner, wherever you might be going, you know you have a little bit of peace of mind that in essence you've got CCTV working around the clock for you, protecting your vehicle, and then you've got the added immobilization that is in there as well, and the tracking system. So you just literally full peace of mind that your investment is then going to be owned by you and not some stupid thief taking it away. So overall, a fantastic solution. It's the 3 products that I strongly recommend. There are a few other things that I normally recommend. Personally, I use a baseball bat steering lock, which now are available via our website. But also what I do recommend is some form of at home, some visual deterrent. So I've got bollards at my place, but you can also have gates installed, but something visual. If you are after having bollards installed, I've partnered up with Bollard Security. CBS5 is the discount code. That's all in the info in the description. You can actually get bollards installed by them. They have a little discount code for our clients that are having upgrades done to their car to secure it. But overall, another supercar secured by our team, and an absolute privilege and honor it is, as always, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.